right, here we go. This would be what? Is this day 2?
Day 3.
Ooh, day 3.
Day 3, big.
Day 3
it's the triple hitter.
Okay. We got to put the lid on next.
Yes, we're known for keeping a lid on things.
Thanks for that.
You're welcome. I figured you needed that.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks a lot. Okay, so
Thanks a lot.
11 1/4 by a half. So 2 sets. So that means 1, 2, 3. I need 4 pieces. 4 pieces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 pieces each. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. Oh yeah. So when I cut the pieces, use this as a
reference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is say one piece like this.
Yeah.
One here, and one there.
Mm-hmm. Which is going to be the short piece? Which is going to be the long piece?
I don't know. Usually
Those are the long
here
pieces,
and then short pieces here.
Okay, I agree.
But either way works.
No, I think we should do that.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I don't think you're old enough to say what the kids say yet.
I'm not old enough to say that?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah.
Oh.
Either you have to have your own kids, or you're going to be over 30.
I mean, I'm pretty sure my jokes are apparent.
You used that one last time.
Actually, you know what my manager...
You can't recycle the jokes that quickly.
You know what my manager said on Thursday?
I'm afraid to ask.
He told me that I make a great dad, and I looked at him and I said, "Is that sarcasm?" He goes, "No, because you already have the right jokes."
That's exactly right. Yes.
And I said, "Well, you learn from your parent." That's an offcut. Gonna need maybe 4 more in total.
The top one is slightly different.
Why is the top one slightly different?
Just where the shelves went. The shelves aren't. I think that's a 1/4 of an inch larger.
Oh.
So it could probably still work, but I'll just cut it down a little bit. So that's a good size right there. Okay.
He doesn't need the tape measure. Just eyeball everything. It's like a millwright. Just eyeballs it.
Who are you talking to?
The audience.
Oh, the audience.
Yes, those guys there. Those nice people. Hey, settle down. You in the back. I'm talking to you. Easy. Somebody on the internet's going to laugh at that.
Okay.
Yeah, you with the red hair. Easy.
What you can do, if you're saying to yourself, "Gee, I wish there was something I could do."
I usually say gee willikers.
Okay, gee willikers.
Yeah.
Inside that container over there,
Yeah.
there should be some plugs.
Yeah. There is. Hey, there's some plugs in here.
Yeah. So.
And some Lepage glue.
Yeah.
Lepage.
So yeah. So if you wouldn't mind, maybe doing some gluing.
We're doing some plugging. There's one thing I know how to do. It's plug a hole.
Okay.
I do it for a living.
Yeah.
Am I causing you strife yet? Because that's my goal.
What do you mean yet?
Yeah, fair enough. Oh, sorry. Watch your belly. Careful there. Careful.
I know it's got its own gravitational attraction. So
Yeah.
Be careful around that.
The other day I threw a wrench at him. It started orbiting.
Orbiting, yes, that's right. Yes.
I'm doing this in front of the camera so they know what orbiting means. Hey, do you know why clocks go clockwise?
Because they're a clock?
No. Believe it or not, it has to do with sundial.
Oh, okay. Can't use this.
So in the northern hemisphere, clocks go clockwise. Because when you utilize a sundial, the shadow that's cast
goes that way.
Goes in the same direction as the clock. It's interesting. So in the southern hemisphere, it's the opposite. So clocks go counterclockwise.
Oh, okay. Is that how toilets know which way to flush? Which hemisphere?
That's an urban myth.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Give me an Australian toilet and I'll show you. When you hit the flush button, it goes crikey. That's how you know it's an Australian toilet.
Okay, so we got some sanding to do. Sorry.
Oh yes, I remember this. Yes, but we're just zipping it this time.
Yeah, we're gonna take out all the stuff there.
I remember the last time we did this, and I had to shave it down into like a wedge shape.
Okay.
Because the island.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it? I remember that.
That was good. I enjoyed the island.
Yeah, that was a fun project. Yeah.
Hey, you know what works good when you're using the table saw? Plugging it in first.
No, you don't need any power. You just start pedaling.
Pedaling.
Pedaling. It's like I hate government because we get stuff done. I hate it. And my favorite thing to do is nothing. I would work all day, all night to make sure nothing got done.
Okay.
One of my favorite episodes is when he introduces his brothers.
Oh yeah.
To what's
very
her name?
good. Was it very good construction?
Very good construction.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was such a funny episode.
I should have used the clamp.
Oh no.
Thank you.
You can't keep a good clamp down, can you?
Yeah, you can.
You can't? Be funny, if you grab the wrong piece for a side and you just grabbed another long piece.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
In the end, you'd have to buy more wood.
Well, at least it'd be smaller pieces, right? So,
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
how many plugs do we have?
5.
Okay, each door will require
4.
8. No.
4.
2, 4.
4.
4 doors.
4 door. 4 cubed. No, 4 squared. 16. We need 16 plugs.
That's right.
We have 5. 5 is less. 5 is less than 16.
There's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with your math.
See, I would love to make more plugs, but you're using the.
Yeah,
you're
right.
using the blow dryer right now.
That's right.
The man's blow dryer.
Look
Look at that.
Depends on what game you're playing.
Picture perfect.
I thought you were going to say I've been framed.
Picture
I've been
perfect.
framed. Hey, safety moment. Don't wear loose-fitting clothes when you're using a drill, or you could take it off.
It's cold.
Oh, Okay. Yeah, there's that.
You could just button it up.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Careful.
So that's not funny when it's your father. It's not funny then. It's funny when it's your friend. It's not funny when it's your friend.
It's okay. I've been called. Actually, in some respects, I guess it's a compliment.
Okay. Well, that's the diesel outside.
Of course.
Sometimes it stops. The
Does it?
stops.
Oh yeah, because it's spinning.
No, like I feel it stop. It's not that it looks like it stopped
Oh.
because it's going fast. Well, the good news is these ones will be heat treated. Oh my. Certainly a forgotten scene, I think. Some of those things nobody really talks about when they talk about Back to the Future.
Yeah.
I think he took his wallet. Oh, look at the spiders. They're colonizing.
Ah, look at that.
Those are big spiders.
It's my.
It's your collection?
No, that's my. We call their environmentally friendly bug control.
Ah, yes, spiders.
Oh.
Woof.
Let her in. My girl! Ah.
Eva!
That was it?
You getting hungry?
Yeah, it's almost that time. Gonna be about. I'm just gonna finish this one here.
Yeah.
And then we'll sup.
We'll sup?
We'll sup. Yeah.
Who do you think you are, a millennial?
I don't know. Is that a millennial thing?
Sure. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm old now.
Yeah, but you're still a millennial?
No, I'm not a millennial. I'm a Gen Zer.
Gen Z.
Or a Zoomer. I'm not even the current generation anymore. There's a younger generation called Gen Alpha. I don't understand their slang.
Oh, I'm gonna redo this one because I'm a little squirrely.
Dog River. Is that a real town?
No, but we went there.
I know. I remember. We saw the 2D cutouts.
Oh, that's right.
Drove around. Whoa, that's so weird.
Hey, Mickey. How's it going, buddy? Hi. He's talkative today.
You know me. Yeah. You remember. I can visit sometimes. You know me. Oh, you need this guy, don't you?
Yeah.
He needed the Robinson. Oh, yeah, good buddy. Oh, careful there. Careful. Oh, yeah, headbutts of love. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, this one's aggressive headbutts. I'll get out of there. Let's flip. Oh, yeah, good buddy. Oh, good. You got the tail in your work right now?
Okay, you.
I'll plug up these holes. I'm going to start organizing.
Okay.
Why do I need this? All right, she's in.
All right, good job. Okay. Good.
You may want to end the presentation, sir.
Okay, I gotta bring
And
the car
that's
in.
been this episode in the wood-life balance.
Wood-life balance?
Work-life balance, wood-life balance.
I'm shutting this off now.
Okay.
Sorry about that.